Hi everyone, I'm Neely from AutoDS, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the top 22 suppliers to use when dropshipping. Now, listen, I don't expect you guys to be using all 22 suppliers because that's just a lot and kind of overwhelming, but there's definitely an advantage when working with 3 to 5 suppliers over working with just one. Now, we'll get to those reasons in a second. First, make sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. You can only make it so far working with just one supplier, and there are tons of advantages that come with working with multiple suppliers. Let me give you an example. Let's say your supplier is AliExpress. AliExpress is a Chinese company, so when they have their holidays that go on for sometimes a few weeks, this is gonna delay a lot of things for you. It's gonna delay shipping and sales and essentially just leave you hanging. Now, if you had another 3-4 suppliers that you were working with, then during that time you could lean on them. So that's just one example of why it's good to work with multiple suppliers, but you've got a bunch of different reasons like more variety in products, faster shipping depending on your supplier, and a bunch of other benefits. So right now, let's get into our list of the top 22 suppliers that you guys should be using for your dropshipping stores. Also, drop it in the comments which suppliers you're currently using, because I'm just curious, I want to know. So first on our list, as we mentioned before, is AliExpress, a Chinese company. There are a lot of benefits to this one, like low prices, worldwide shipping, and less competition. You've got 100 million products to choose from, and you can make really great profit margins just based on their low selling costs. Our second supplier is Amazon. Now, I'm not sure if you guys heard of this company, but it's kind of a pretty big one. Basically, they offer a few great benefits, one being amazing customer support, really, and that's important with dropshipping because you want to be able to communicate with your suppliers easily. The second thing is they have a great return policy. If you return a product within 30 days, you'll usually get a full refund. And the third thing is they offer millions upon millions of products to choose from and usually pretty good quality. So they're overall just an amazing supplier. Next supplier that we have on our list is Banggood. This is another Chinese supplier. They offer a lot of products, a lot of different niches. And a few notes about Banggood is that 1, they offer free membership, and also 2, they have pictures without watermarks on them, which is really, really convenient. As you know, it's a whole hassle to remove a watermark from a photo to use them in your own store, and here they have them all ready for you and you can avoid that. Next, we've got CJ Dropshipping. This is another Chinese company, but they have warehouses worldwide, plus they also have a US warehouse, so you'll be able to offer faster, better, and safer shipping with CJ Dropshipping. Definitely a good supplier to go with if you choose this one. Next, we've got Walmart. Now, they offer products at really reasonable prices. They've got stores all over the US. They offer next day delivery options, and they have great customer service. So overall, definitely a great supplier. Home Depot. Now, if you sell any home goods or home improvement products, this should definitely be one of the suppliers on your list because they are huge, and they're huge for a reason. They're really great suppliers. Great customer service. They've got stores all over the country, so you're gonna get fast shipping with them if you're shipping to US consumers, and they're just an overall great supplier. We've got Etsy. Etsy has a lot of crafted, handmade items on their site, which is pretty cool because when you offer handcrafted items, you could definitely ask for a lot more money, so you're gonna be seeing higher profit margins on what you sell from Etsy. The only thing I would note is that Etsy has a lot of individual artists uploading their products, so sometimes it's a little less reliable with stock and with shipping times. Next on our list of suppliers is eBay. So eBay is also a platform for dropshippers to dropship on, but not only that, it could also be used as a supplier for your dropshipping business if you're also selling on Shopify or Facebook Marketplace or anywhere else. It's a great platform, and also they have really high standards for their sellers on this platform, so you're usually gonna get really good products to work with. And they offer, as you know, millions of products, so you've got a wide range to choose from. Next, we've got Costco. Costco is really great because they have a membership program, and that's where they rely on most of their proceeds. So when they're offering their products, they actually list their products for really decent prices. So it makes them a really good supplier to go with because you get a lot of products to choose from, a lot of discounts and deals, and overall a great supplier. Next, we've got Wayfair. Now they're really good in the home niche, home decor, furniture, all of that. They're an online site. They've got over 14 million products, and they also accept more payment methods. So if you wanted to pay with something like PayPal, it would work here. While we're in the home niche theme, we've also got Overstock. Also sells a lot of great products for the home, a lot of things that are decor, furniture, and all of that stuff. They've got great prices, great shipping times, and also awesome customer service. Next on our list is Lowe's, definitely a competitor of Home Depot. They have great hardware for homes, a lot of home improvement products. So here you've got thousands of good quality products, and they offer pretty good shipping for within the US. Plus, if your order is over $45, it'll be free shipping. Next on our list is Target, another great supplier. They've got great shipping, great return policies, great quality products, and awesome deals. Plus, if you've got a Target Red Card, you could get free 2-day shipping without a minimum order. Costway is another great supplier on our list. Plus, if you're an AutoDS member, we can get you a 3% discount on your purchases. No big deal. Next on our list is Sam's Club. Something cool about this one is that you can earn a 2% cash reward back on certain purchases. So by the end of the year, you can earn up to $500 and make that money back, which is pretty nice. Next on our list is Vita XL. They offer great products plus free shipping on most items. And now we've got Alibaba, which I'm sure you guys must have heard of, a massive Chinese company. They sell millions of products and for really cheap, so you're gonna be making higher profit margins when you sell from here. Next, we've got Wish, which is a really good supplier. My one thing with them is that they don't actually have the physical products, so when you want to deal with returns, it's a bit more complicated with them, but overall they offer a lot of good products. Next supplier is Redbubble. So this is a print on the demand kind of service, so you can make shirts, hoodies, cushions, duvet covers, all kind of things like that, which is a bit more niche and not a lot of other suppliers offer this. Next, we've got Manil in the Box. They offer a lot of products for cheap prices, making them a really awesome online retailer. Next, we have Light in the Box, also another website that offers pretty cheap prices for products. But what's cool about them is that their website can also be translated into 26 different languages. So if you're not an English speaker like myself, you could still manage to navigate this website because they offer a lot of different languages, and hopefully yours. Next, we've got Pure Formulas. This one's a bit more niche. They offer things like supplements and nutritional kind of items, but it's a pretty popular niche and they offer free shipping. Whew, all right, we got through our 22 drop shipping suppliers. They are definitely the best ones to use, so I recommend you grab a few of those suppliers and you start utilizing all of their different benefits. But now that you have your suppliers, you might be wondering, okay, great, but where am I supposed to sell? So I've got 3 recommendations for you guys. I recommend eBay, Shopify, and Facebook Marketplace. They each come with their own individual benefits. It depends on what you want. eBay has a lot of free organic traffic, plus it's a free platform to use. Facebook Marketplace as well has a ton of free organic traffic and also free to use, plus lower seller fees, which is always nice for us. And Shopify doesn't have organic traffic, but they also don't have any product limits. You can list as much as you want, as fast as you want to do it, and they've got a lot of cool store templates that you can use. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you choose your suppliers right based on what you need. Don't forget to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching.